Question number 2 of this exercise says that metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. We have to find the radius of the resulting sphere. So let's draw a figure to visualize the shapes better. And this is how the figure for the question will look like. Here we have three smaller spheres whose radii are 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So let them be R1, R2 and R3, which are melted and recast to form a single solid sphere of radius unknown, and we have taken it as R. As we know that these three spheres are melted and recast to form this single solid sphere, we can write that the volume of the single solid sphere will be equal to the sum of the volumes of the three smaller solid spheres. So with that we write 4 by 3 pi r cube equals 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. So we can cancel out 4 by 3 pi as it is common on both the sides. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. What we are left with is r cube equals r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. So now let's substitute these values as we know the values of r1, r2 and r3. So we get r cube to be equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube so we will get r cube to be equal to 216 plus 512 plus 1000 centimeter cube. So on calculation, by finding the cube root of the sum of these three numbers, which comes as 1728 centimeter cube, we get the value of the radius to be equal to 12 centimeters. So the radius of the sphere formed will be 12 centimeters.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.